All right, good afternoon. And this is the part one video of my vintage Barbie collection restoration journey. Here is a carrier case for Barbie and Skipper. And it's pretty dirty, but it's been in the attic for quite a while. So I found, I think, almost all the pieces. I'm missing some of these purple hooks, but I got a lot of the stuff. Here is a little hamper, but when you set it up, it's supposed to be like a little vanity chair with a little vanity here. We got some hooks. Oops, there's supposed to be 8 of these, but I only have 3 left. But that's not bad for after how many years. Comes with hangers, a little mirror here, and these turn out. And this came with a brush, a comb, and a little handheld mirror. These all slide out, and you can put them onto this side if you want to also, but this is how it is right now, and I plan on cleaning it up. So tell me what you guys think. It's a carrier case slash closet. And this is part of my restoration journey series, part 1. I'll clean it up and let you know how it comes out in another video where I plan on styling it with my Barbies. So please subscribe, like, and comment.